everyone, Patrick van der Belt, and I'm back here to the tutorial to tailor-make the TOMP API to your business needs. First of all, you have to fetch the TOMP API from the GitHub. And you can start reading documents, the blueprint for intro that describes the usage of each of the modules that are enlisted here in the TOMP API root. If you have read the intro document, you can read also the applicable blueprint for your mode, for your profile. In this case, we're going to create a tailor-made API for a scooter operator with only scooters on the street, can be booked directly based on GBVAS. And it must be possible to create and update users, customers, remotely as well. First of all, we have to combine all these different module descriptions into one TOMP API module, one TOMP API file. Therefore, we start the merge API PowerScript, and for each of the modules, it will be asked if you want to include it. Discovery, it's a peer-to-peer, it's not really relevant. We don't supply offers, we only supply directly bookable scooters. Pre-sales, no way. Purchase one, yes, we want to include the purchase, and we want to operate the scooters, the start leg and the stop leg, and maybe unlocking or bikes, scooters, and maybe opening helmet boxes. So execution part is relevant. Support, nah, it's a minimal viable product. After sales, no way, not relevant. Creating customers, yes, as I just mentioned, we need to be able to create customers, and information in the data space, not relevant. So now I have selected only a few modules into the new TOMP API. If I'm going to show this one, you'll see that I have a lot of endpoints that are not relevant yet or anymore. For instance, products, but also fetching travel documents, tickets, extending expiry time way too much. So we need another tool. I'll navigate to the filter directory, and I start with the filter batch file. I have to supply the text file that contains only the required endpoints for the bikes, and I have to refer to the newly created TOMP API YAML file. I'm going to be asked, do I want to purchase offers? Nope. Actually, this is on the endpoint level, and that's described in your blueprint file for your mode. Purchase package not relevant, products not relevant. Use assets, yes, that's the only one that's relevant for me. I have a simple booking process, so this is all not relevant. And the execution part, I want to operate or actually have actions on the leg, start a leg, stop a leg, pause a leg, resume a leg. I have asset operations like opening helmet boxes, yes, and I don't have products. The customer, yes, I want to do everything with the customer. And the core part is not really relevant for me right now. It's all based, and you can find it back in your profile description. Document blueprint. As you can see, there's an output file. It's called the TOMP API filter. I'm going to select it and put it again in the viewable tracker environment, and you can see that these are the endpoints you have to implement. And that's it for now. Happy coding!